Good morning, everybody. It is December the 14th, and it is Wednesday, middle of the week. And what is going on in Las Vegas? Well, the market is changing, and I wanted to just bring up the November transactions for the past 11 years, a little bit different than doing the stats today. So if you look in November of 2022, just last 2 weeks ago, we ended up with 2,083 transactions. Oh, please. Put my earphones on. Anyway, we ended up with 283 transactions. Now, that is less than half of what we did November a year ago, and a little bit more than let's see, in 2020, we did 3,800. So we did 1,800 more than we did last month. And if you look at the numbers, and I went back to 2011, there is no month of November in the past 11 years that we did under 2,100 transactions. So it's remarkable. And it's remarkable because we had the highest interest rate hike ever when it went from 2-3% up to 6% plus. And so the market responded, and it responded with, hey, I ain't buying, right? And the price went down, though. If you look at the median price, I adjusted it to 425. We had it up at 435 because it looked like it ended in November at 435, but then if you look at Clark County, it really ended at 430. And now I went in, I said, geez, this is a moving target here. So now, as of the first 2 weeks, it is 425. And we shall see with the fewer transactions that we're having in this month, we're having less than we had last month, month to date, that we might end up around 425. So I'm going to go out on a limb and say 425 is going to be 425,000 is where we're probably going to end up. But we shall see. Anyway, I want to let everybody know that when you're doing your business plan or your battle plan for 2023, you have to understand that interest rates are coming down. And you have to also understand that probably 2023 will be better than 2022, but not as good as 2021. And we probably won't see a better market till 2024. And I am saying that boldly because that is what Dr. Young and Brian Buffini said. And I'm going to play a few minutes of their the minutes where Dr. Young is speaking directly to the real estate market. And it takes about 20 minutes. And also, we have the bold prediction report for 2023 as a downloadable guide. And I am going to post that in the group. And also, if you have an Agent Formula website, that is going to be one of the downloadable guides available to you to use on social media and in your email marketing.